In primetime news this evening, still no consensus. Government and opposition remain at odds on constitution reform.
Portland residents reject proposal for community center on beachside.
And fisherman's death renews concern about decompression sickness. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Sandy Williams. For a preview of what's to come in Primetime Sports, here's Spencer Darlington.
Thank you, Sandy. Well, the West Indies are staring down the barrel after 2 days of the first test match against India in Ahmedabad. We'll give you more on that encounter later on in Primetime Sports.
Thank you so much, Spencer. And we'll also have the financial week a little later on, but Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's coming up in the weather.
Thanks, Anthony. Now, we do have partly cloudy skies across most of the area for this weekend. That's tomorrow and Sunday, but the rainfall, showers and thunderstorms returns across much of the island on Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and Bite of the Week in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. This evening we're asking what measures do you think should be put in place to ensure vendors sell only age-appropriate items to school children?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.